Welcome to the latest updates on the weather conditions in the United Kingdom for the next 5 days, according to the latest releases from the Numerical Observatory ECMWF 9KMI. But before delving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed. So the weather will remain unstable today due to the Atlantic low-pressure system. Specifically, moderate to light rain will continue in Wales and northern England, as well as in the southern half of Scotland and Northern Ireland. There is a possibility of very light rain in the northern and western islands of the kingdom. Strong winds from the southwest, with speeds ranging from 50 to 70 kilometers per hour, will blow along the Welsh coasts and also the western coasts of England and Northern Ireland. Wind gusts at the same speed, meaning between 50 and 70 kilometers per hour, will blow this time from the southeast on the northern islands of the kingdom. And here are the expected maximum temperatures for today in some regions of the kingdom. 5 degrees in Lerwick, 7 degrees in Thurso, 8 in Port of Ness, 4 degrees in Inverness, 8 in Aberdeen, 9 in Ballyvanich, 10 degrees in Skerenish, 7 in Glasgow, 8 degrees in Sunderland and Hull, 10 in Douglas, 9 degrees in Liverpool and Newry, 9 degrees also in Norwich and Birmingham, 10 in London and Bristol, and 11 degrees in Plymouth and St David AS. Anticipate the influx of 2 Atlantic disturbances towards the kingdom, the first on Saturday, December 9th, and the second on Sunday, December 10th, accompanied by the flow of relatively warm air associated with these Atlantic disturbances. Now, here are the key outcomes and weather changes resulting from these dynamic factors. Firstly, moderate to heavy rain is expected in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, with measurements possibly reaching or exceeding 15, 20, 25, or even 30 millimeters. Rainfall will be moderate to light in Scotland and most of the islands belonging to the kingdom. Secondly, some snowfall is also expected on Sunday evening in central Scotland, specifically in areas such as Fort Augustus, Aviemore, Ballateer, Pitlochry, and possibly even Fort William. Snow depth will likely be from weak to moderate. Thirdly, observe the significant convergence of isobar lines related to atmospheric pressure on the southern boundary of this low-pressure system. This will result in strong to very strong winds, especially on Saturday evening, with speeds ranging from 60 to 100 kilometers per hour in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Relatively warm air coming from the southwest will contribute to a slight increase in temperatures in the southern half of the kingdom, meaning in England and Wales. During the early hours of Monday, December 11th, some snowfall will persist in central Scotland, specifically in areas such as Aviemore, Braemar, Ballateer, and possibly even Fort Augustus. Additionally, on Monday, very light rainfall will continue in scattered parts of the kingdom, especially in North Wales, Northern England, central Scotland, and the western islands of the kingdom. There will be a significant drop in temperatures in Scotland, especially in the northern half, reaching again below freezing. Unstable conditions are expected on December 12th, with moderate to light rain in Wales, western England, possibly even in northern England, Northern Ireland, South Scotland, and the western islands of the kingdom.